Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to deal with failed payments. The CRM that we're going to be using is Sweep and Go. What this automation is going to do is every time a customer in any industry that you're in, about 10% of your credit cards end up declining. So I'm going to show you an automation that will automatically send your customer a text message via OpenPhone or Twilio as soon as a payment gets declined. Perfect. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right. First thing you're going to want to do is log into Zapier. Go ahead and click create, then Zaps. From here, click trigger. Go ahead and click webhooks. Trigger event is catch hook. Click continue, click continue. Now go ahead and copy this URL that forms right here. Then go to Sweep and Go. Go ahead and click settings, scroll down to open API, click generate token and paste that URL. Click events, scroll down to client payment declined. Put whatever description you want here. Go ahead and click generate. Perfect. Now we're all set. Now what we're going to need to do is make sure we try to process a payment so that it will send that information to Zapier. Go ahead and click home, find a failed recurring invoice and scroll down there to the bottom, click charge client. And as you can see, payment is initiated, but it's failed. Now, because it's failed, that is going to send the client's data to Zapier where we can send them a text message via OpenPhone. So go back to Zapier, click test trigger. Now you should have a record here now that we've done that. So go ahead and select that record, click continue with selected record. Now the next action that we're going to use is OpenPhone. The event is send message. Go ahead and log into your OpenPhone account if you're not already and click continue. Go ahead and select the phone number that you want to send that from. And under the this is the phone number we're going to be sending the text message to. So go ahead and click the plus button here, and we're going to be looking for it in the catch hook and webhooks by Zapier. Scroll until you find their phone number. Perfect. Now we got their phone number. And now in this message, you can say whatever you want. We're just notifying them that their payment declined. And every time you try to process the payment, they will get this text message. So make sure if you're trying to process all of these payments at once, just know that if you do it, that they'll get a text message every time that you try to process the payment and it's failed. So you're only gonna wanna do this once every day or two. So go ahead and write a message in here. We'll enter their name as well. Now, one thing, we're actually gonna wanna change something here. I just realized before we send the message. We want to put just their first name in the text message, not the entire name. So if we want to do that, what you can actually do is go ahead and add a new step, search for OpenAI. The event you're going to want to choose is the conversation action. So click that, and now you're going to need to log into your OpenAPI account as well. And to do that, you're going to need an API key. And there's a pop-up where you put that API key. So to make an OpenAI account, go ahead and go to openai.com, click login, click API platform, then click settings in the upper right-hand corner, click API keys. Now go ahead and click create new secret key, name it whatever you want. It's going to create a key. Go ahead and copy that key once it's created and go back to Zapier and enter that in here. And that will give you access to OpenAPI. Cool, once that's done, go ahead and click continue. Under the user message, go ahead and click plus and then select the client name. And in instructions, just say something super simple like something like that. Just super easy for OpenAI to understand. Go ahead and click continue. Let's go ahead and test the step. Perfect. Looks like that worked. You should have just that first name in the output text if your prompt is right. Go ahead and click continue. Now, again, go to click continue. We're going to insert that name. So click the plus here under conversation in ChatGPT, click the output text, which is their name, and then say whatever you want. It looks like your payment. All right, perfect. So something like that works great. Go ahead and click continue. We're gonna skip the test. I don't want to actually send this customer a text message. You can go ahead and publish this and it's ready to go. Like I said, at this point, every time you try to run a payment, and this will happen whenever you have your payments automatically scheduled, but as you go through and try to rerun these payments, be aware that every time you do that, it's going to send a text message to the customer. So I would just do this every 1 to 2 days until they pay, or whatever happens to work best for your business. But that's it. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Feel free to leave those down in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.